Meaning of Harley Street.
Harley Street.
Harley Street.
Harley Street.
Harley Street. Harley Street refers to a well-known street in the Marylebone area of London, England. It is known for being home to a large number of private medical clinics and specialists, particularly those providing services related to general medicine, dentistry, psychology, and psychiatry. The street has a reputation for being associated with high-end medical treatments and consultations, and many of the doctors and practitioners who work there have gained a notable level of expertise and recognition within their respective fields. Overall, Harley Street is considered a hub of medical excellence and innovation in the UK.